Hello everyone! Today, ang gagawin natin is itatry natin i-solve yung daily puzzle ni chess.com. So, today is March 15 and ito yung kanyang daily puzzle for today. So, dito sa kanyang title is Endangered Queens Toppled King. So, dito tayo kukuha ng idea for us to solve yung puzzle for today and why to move daw. So, yan. So, why to move? Endangered Queens Toppled King. So, I think Queen ang igagalaw dito, ang move natin. So, I think pwede tayong chumek dito. Queen A8. Hindi pwede kasi nakapin yung ating queen ng rook. Pag naman chumek tayo dito, kainin lang ng bishop. Pag naman rook takes bishop tayo dito sa e6, sa e5, kainin lang din. So, ano ang dapat gawin? Ito kaya, rook take bishop. Mali. Okay. So, try tayo ng iba. Pwede nating i-capture yung queen ng black. Bishop takes queen on c2. Mali din. So, hindi natin maalis tong king dito. Paano kung iiwas lang muna natin yung king? Malilibre naman yung queen natin. Try natin to. So tama. Okay. Take natin tong queen. Mali. So tama yung knight to c7. Sacrifice. Check. Tapos bishop takes knight on c7. So, hindi pa rin natin to pwedeng alisin yung queen natin dito. So, hindi rin tama yung bishop takes queen on c2. Mali. Kung ito kaya, check. Sacrifice ulit. Mali. Tama. Rook takes check, tapos pawn takes rook. So, anong ilang finishing move natin dito, guys? Hindi pa rin pwede to. Alisin yung mali. Hindi talaga pwede yung queen. Bishop takes queen. Mali din. Dito, bishop c5 check. Ayun. So, solve na natin. So, ayun siya. So, NC7 check. Ayan. Solve na. So yun guys, nasolve na natin yung daily puzzle ni chess.com for today, March 15, 2024. Endangered Queens, Toppled King. So, sana may natutunan kayo guys, and until sa susunod na daily puzzle. Goodbye.